Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo Y17 smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Vivo Y17 smartphone. First, go to camera. Just open camera in your Vivo Y17 smartphone and click on video. Then click this icon and click on SLO-MO. That means slow motion. And click start recording. Click this red button. Now record your video. I write something on my note. Here I write hi, welcome, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. Here I wrote my writings in normal way. Stop your recording. Now I play the video. See here, the video is very slowly playing. It's very slow. So in this way, you can make a slow motion video in Vivo Y70 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.